For y'all who haven't met me yet, I'm Hyatt, the project manager for the Nano Foundation. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about what the Nano Foundation is, our mission, what we're out here to do, which really revolves around the idea of making money efficient for a more equal world. And the foundation does this by doing a lot of activity around building the Nano protocol itself, as well as some other supporting services and such. And really the goal here is to empower as many people as possible around the world to be able to control their money, to make decisions about their money, and to be able to transact safely in different economies all over the world. So a lot of the talks that you're going to see today are kind of foundational pieces. There's different angles that all are sort of driving towards this one big mission that we're after, long-term goal here. And the different breakdown of some of the things at the foundation that we're focused on, as I mentioned before, the protocol development, which Colin is going to talk to you a little bit about where things are at right now and where we're going with that. There's some really exciting stuff that's coming very soon, as well as some things in future releases that we're continually driving for more and more improvement across the board. We're also doing supporting services. So you'll notice on the walls around here are posters with a lot of community projects. We do everything we can to support the amazing community that we have in all of the channels. We've got thousands of people, UK, US, all around the world, who are doing great things to help us build the foundation that we need to solve the problems to get to our mission. And so the supporting services is very key, and we support things like Nano Crawler and other projects. And then in addition to that, the educational pieces are also a big part, and that's going to be a big focus as we start to mature the technology and start to shift into providing more and more materials to get people interested, knowledgeable, learn what Nano's about, and keep moving it forward as far as adoption across the world. So as a nonprofit software development firm, these are kind of the three main focus areas that we are driving towards. And of course, in order to effectively make progress here, we have to have an awesome team. And so we do have a core team of a handful of individuals, including Colin LeMahieu, which I'm sure you all are familiar with, the founder and CEO of the Nano Foundation. Chief Operating Officer, George Coxon, Andy Johnson, who's checking everybody in, I'm sure you all met him, Communications Manager, myself as a Project Manager, and then we also have Andy Wolmer, an advisor who is very experienced in foreign exchange, and he'll be speaking a little bit later. And then from a technical team standpoint, we have developers spread out across the world. Russell Waters couldn't make it here today. He's US based, been on the team for quite some time. And then Crypto Code and Sergey SW, they're both in Europe as well, and have been on the team for quite some time. Some of our newer hires, Wesley Shillingford is in the audience here. Oh, he's in back. Yeah, he's done some great work on the protocol recently. And then we also have the newest hire, Marco, who isn't with us today, but he's a full stack engineer who works on a lot of things outside of the protocol itself, various projects and such. So the team here, everybody that you meet from the team and everybody, everything that we do is kind of driving towards this one big mission overall. And I think as you experience the different talks today and see the different projects that are going on, read on the walls, test out some of these things, I think it would be, keep in the back of your mind that that's the thing that we're driving for, is we're driving to make this money really efficient, but one of the biggest reasons that we're doing that is so that everybody can control their money, how they want to be able to transact safely and do that all over the world, and not just in certain countries or certain areas. This is very much a global thing. So I'm going to hand it off to Colin, and he's going to give you a little bit more detailed rundown of the protocol.